Hello, my dear friend. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, my sixth practice English speaking. Today, I want to talk about something that can truthfully change your life, the power of human thinking. You see, your mind is it is like magnet. Whatever we think about, we attract in our life. If you think positive, we see opportunity. If you think negative, only see problem. Our mind is most powerful tool we have. It can destroy us or it can build us. The choice is always ours. Then a person say, yes, I can do it. Have to battle the already won. When? But then someone any say, I can do it. Do it. He lose the even before the try. So my dear, control your thought before your control you. See your mind with good idea, with positive, with belief, because your life moving in the direction of your strong thought. Think like the winner, think like the champion, and your life the begin to change. Now listen to carefully. If you change your thinking, if you change your life, most people wait for life to change first, but success people the change their thought first, because every day great change begin the mind. A weak person become strong first his thinking, and sad person become happy first is his thinking. every every day thinking is the new idea. Start the small thinking. Stop saying the I can't. Start saying I will. Feed your mind with course of belief, big dream, because your mind is your biggest power. Use it to create the life you want, the life is the deserve. Thank you so much listening my lecture. Stay positive, stay powerful, and keep moving forward, my dear friend. Thank you watching for my video, and thank you listening for my video. My dear friend, you can subscribe YouTube channel.